NAPOLCOM Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer Rafael Calinisan felt insulted after fugitive Atong Ang allegedly sought settlement with him in an attempt to halt or influence the ongoing investigation on missing Sabongeros case. Ryan Lesigas has the full report.
Alongside the continuing search for businessman Charlie Atong Ang, NAPOLCOM Executive Officer Rafael Calinisan revealed that Ang allegedly attempted to halt the investigation against police officers linked to the disappearance of the Sabongeros. According to Calinisan, this was done through a person close to him in an attempt to influence the direction of the investigation and to seek a settlement involving 12 police officers. This allegedly happened at the same time that whistleblower Julie Patidongan came forward.
Sinabi niya sa akin na tumawag nga si Atong Ang sa kanya. Pinakita pa niya sa akin yung cellphone niya. At yun nga, ang tanong baka daw pwedeng matulungan yung mga pulis niya. Yun yung exact quote.
The official admitted that he felt insulted by the attempt to seek a settlement with him.
Kasi ang tanong dyan, bakit ka interesado sa kaso ng mga pulis sa Sabongero? Sige nga, bakit? Dahil ba sa mga tao mga sila? Dahil ba sa inutusan mo sila? Ba't ayaw mong madismiss sila? Diba? At bakit ako ang inaareglo mo?
Aside from Atong Ang, Calinisan said that another group also tried to influence their investigation. He refused to name them for now, but said they could be linked to a local chief executive. Calinisan also explained why he only disclosed the information now.
Tapos na, as far as NAPOLCOM is concerned, yung mga kaso. So I think I owe it to the Filipino people, malaman ng tao, ano bang talagang tunay na nangyari. I want to be transparent. Na ito nga, sinubukan tayong areglohin ni Atong Ang.
Authorities have been searching for Ang for more than 20 days, but up to now, he has yet to be arrested. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.